Let's face it, building a beautiful portfolio is great, but if you don't have clients, it's just sitting there. In this lesson, we'll cover the 4 most effective ways to find clients when you're just starting out. Cold outreach, freelance platforms, referrals, and local businesses. These aren't theory, they're strategies that work. 1. Cold outreach. Yes, it can feel scary at first, but cold outreach is one of the fastest ways to take control of your business. Here's how to do it right. Start by picking a specific niche or local area. Find 10 to 20 businesses that clearly need a website refresh. Example. Hi Sarah, I came across your yoga studio's website and saw a few quick wins that could help you book more students. I'm a web designer who specializes in wellness brands. Want me to share a free homepage redesign concept? Make it personal, make it useful. Offer something up front like a free audit, mock-up, or call. Cold outreach works when it's targeted, thoughtful, and consistent. 2. Freelance platforms. Sites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Contra can feel overwhelming, but they're full of real businesses hiring every day. To stand out, niche your profile. Web design for therapists instead of general web designer. Use a clean headshot and a short, confident bio. Submit proposals that are short, specific, and solve a real problem. Start with small jobs to build reviews. Then raise your rates as your profile grows. Bonus tip. Set alerts for your niche and apply fast. First replies often get noticed. 3. Referrals and your network. Most designers underestimate the power of their personal network. Let everyone you know, family, friends, former coworkers, know you're taking on web design clients. Be specific. Say, also, connect with other creatives, photographers, copywriters, marketers. They're often working with clients who need websites too. Partner up. People love referring someone they trust. Be that person. 4. Local businesses. This is one of the most overlooked strategies. Drive down your street or check Google Maps. You'll find tons of small businesses with clunky, outdated sites or no website at all. Walk in or send a short email. Keep it casual. Hi, I live nearby and noticed your site could use a refresh. I'm a local designer and I'd love to help. Want a free audit? This works because you're not a stranger. You're part of their community. Choose one and go all in. Don't try to do everything at once. Pick the strategy that feels most natural and give it 30 days of focused effort. Here's your goal. 10 real conversations. Not just DMs or likes. Actual calls or emails where someone responds and shows interest. Clients come from relationships, and relationships start with you taking the first step. In the next lesson, I'll show you how to run a discovery call like a pro, so when a client says yes, you know exactly what to do next. Let's go find your next project.